Hey online business owners, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Today's video is for all of you hardworking shop owners who are ready to step up your game. We're giving you the 10 best tips for making money on Etsy this year. If you're watching this video, chances are you're an Etsy seller yourself, or maybe you're not a seller yet, but you already know a thing or two. So we'll be completely honest here. Even though Etsy is a great way to earn money for your talents, it's also not a get-rich-quick scheme. More than half of all Etsy sellers are earning less than $100 per year. But it is possible to step up your profit, and these tips are some of the most up-to-date, tried and true. Have you opened your Etsy shop yet? If so, how long have you been on Etsy, and what's your experience been like so far? Leave us a comment down below. We would love to hear from you. And before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Tip number 1, understand your Etsy stats. The first step to improving your business is to know what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Your Etsy statistics can tell you a lot. To find your stats, log into Etsy.com and click on Shop Manager. Then click on Stats. Under Metrics, you'll see numbers and graphs showing things like page visits, product views, orders, and revenue. You can also compare your sales month to month or year to year. These stats help you answer really important questions like what products are the most successful, how do people discover your shop, and are there any seasonal trends? Use your findings to plan your next campaign or design your newest product. After all, you need to know your shop well in order to improve it. Tip number 2, gather reviews. Reviews go a really long way because people want to be reassured that they're buying a great product. To find your reviews, click on Shop Manager and find your shop. Then click on Sales Channel and scroll down to the Reviews section. Keep in mind though that if you don't have any reviews yet, you won't be able to see this section. Ask your customers if they're happy with their product. If they are, ask them to leave a review, and if they're not, see what you can do for them. That way you'll get more satisfied customers posting reviews. If you need some ideas on when and how to ask for reviews, check out the blog article on our website at printbest.com for the 3 best opportunities to ask for reviews. The link is in the description below. Tip number 3, improve your photos. There are a lot of tips for improving photos, but some of the most important ones are getting different angle shots, showing the size using reference items, using proper lighting, and doing some basic editing to crop images. Another strategy is to stick with a consistent theme. For example, if your products look better with a clean white background, do that for the first photos in all of your listings. If you prefer lifestyle background shots instead, then do that consistently. Tip number 4, improve your product descriptions. Every word in your description matters. Develop your own voice. Try to go for casual and personal. You can even add the story behind the product. People want to connect with you, the artist, not just the item that they see. List the benefits from the viewpoint of the buyer using bullet points that are very easy to skim through. You can also link to other products that you think the buyer might be interested in. Once you've written your description, ask for feedback and always proofread it. Tip number 5, find a good production partner. What is a production partner? It's a third party that helps you produce your items. By outsourcing your mundane tasks, you can devote more time and energy to your creative process. If you're an artist or a graphic designer, this is pretty simple. You can easily find a print-on-demand company like Printbest. Here's how it works. Let's say you've created a cool design and you want it printed on mugs or clothing. Simply add Printbest as an integration to your Etsy shop and add products that you want to sell. We will print the orders you get and ship them straight to your customers, so you only pay when you actually get an order. If you want to learn more about this free integration, check out printbest.com/Etsy in the description below. Tip number 6, improve your SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how certain pages appear near the top of a Google search or an Etsy search. You may already know that things like your listing title, tags, and descriptions can affect how you rank in the search results. But did you know that other things like how specific your keywords are also contribute to your SEO? If you're looking for some practical ways to improve, our blog article in the link below covers a few ways you can optimize your listings to show higher up on Etsy search results. Tip number 7, learn from the community. The great thing about Etsy is that you're not alone. There's a supportive community that shares their insights and experiences. Here you can ask questions, share your knowledge, hunt for ideas, and keep an eye out for new Etsy policies. You can also join an Etsy team. They're made up of sellers who have something in common, so the support that you get is a lot more specific. And don't forget, you can learn from the YouTube community as well. So make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're going to be posting a lot more videos that help you grow your online business. Tip number 8, price is right. Overpricing and underpricing are equally detrimental. You probably already know the dangers of overpricing, but underpricing also causes problems. It hurts your business because it leads to burnout and raises doubts about quality. And it also hurts others who are selling similar items at a more reasonable price. So make sure that you cover all of your expenses, labor, and marketing costs in your pricing. Here's a helpful formula created by Daisy Cottage Design to help you calculate your prices. Materials times 2 plus labor plus expenses equals your retail price. Tip number 9, put extra effort into promoting. A recent study found that advertisers who maintained their campaigns over a 5-year period saw sales increase by an average of 100%. There are so many ways to promote your Etsy shop and listings. Of course, you have your social media posts on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And even if you only have a small budget, you can still launch a small ad campaign on these platforms. You can do it with just as little as $5. Try to target audiences with a particular interest that are more likely to buy from you. And most importantly, don't be afraid to change things up if your current strategy just isn't working. And finally, tip number 10, build customer loyalty. It's easier to sell to customers who have already had a good experience with your shop. Here are some ideas for bringing customers back. Offer coupon codes, use email newsletters, invite them to follow you on social media, and host online events with fun giveaways. And there you have it, the 10 best tips for making more money with your Etsy shop. Each shop is unique, so you may have to tweak your strategy a little, but in the end, it's a lot like running any other kind of business. With diligence, hard work, and a proper business plan, you'll start seeing results. If you're not sure where to start, why not check out a production partner that can help you save time and offer more products? Click the link below for printbest.com to see what you can print your designs on. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.